Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the font style in Google Chrome and how to change the font size as well. So if you want to increase the font size in Google Chrome, you can do that, and you can also decrease it. So here, open your Google Chrome browser, and at the top right corner where you see the three dots, click on that and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will find performance and appearance, and we need to click on this appearance just below the performance one. So I'll click on that, and here we have the font size, customize font. So I'll just click on customize fonts, and from here you can change the font size just like this. See, the size is getting bigger, and it was 16 earlier, and the minimum font size can also be changed. So you can see the size at the left hand side, it's getting increased. So you can try according to your convenience, and from here you can change the standard font from whatever you like. So let's say if I want to do this Bookman old style, you can do that for the serif font, sans serif font, fixed width font. Like, all the things will be fixed, whether it's a character or the number, and mathematical fonts as well. So from here you can play with and do whatever you like and whatever is convenient for you, and once you're done you just need to close it. And this is how you can change the font size and the font style in Google Chrome. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day.